Operation and usage. After inserting the plug into an electrical outlet, the indicator on-off will light up after 5 seconds with a sound. It will show that the induction cooker is connected with the electrical source and ready to work. Work to ready and source electrical. The with connected is cooker. Induction that show will it sound a with seconds 5 after up light will off on indicator the outlet electrical and into plug the inserting after. Put switchable cooking utensil with food on the center of panel and choose any function according to need of cooking. Cooking of need to according function and choose and panel of center the on food with utensil cooking suitable put. A hotpot touching the key on off will light up the indicator light of hotpot, which means the function of a hotpot is unsealed. It displays 2000 watt. Under this function, there are 8 adjustment levels of firepower available with the touch of the key plus or minus as per the cooking requirement. You can also set the timer for 1 minute to 3 hours by touching the key plus or minus. Minus or plus key the touching by hours 3 to minute 1 for timer the set also can you. Requirement cooking the power as minus or plus key the off touch the with available firepower of levels adjustment 8 are their function this under 2000 watt displays it. Unsealed is hotpot of function the means which hotpot of light indicator the